reviewing and demoing the Bissel Liftoff 2-in-1 3rd generation with Febreze. So this vacuum is the 3rd generation Liftoff. I have the 2nd generation. Let me show you guys the 2nd generation. So the 1st generation one looks like this. I can show you guys what the 3rd generation one looks like. Looks like this. And this is a Liftoff. And then the 2nd gen is not going to be part of this review, but we will review that one eventually. This is what the 2nd generation one looks like. I kind of prefer the 2nd generation, but that's just my opinion. So we're just gonna put that back. Okay. So before we get into the tests, I'm gonna explain what we do and then the different features on this vacuum. So obviously, the first feature is that it's a Liftoff. So you just press this green button right here, and it just completely lifts away from the unit, and you have your own little canister for like cleaning stairs, or if you just need to like whip around the house. And then this part just stays behind. All the tools do ride on board of that, so you don't have to worry about things like that. And then the main base, another really cool thing about this one is that it is a tangle-free brush roll. And this is true. I can't test this for you because I don't have any hair that would get tangled normally, but when I do usually vacuum with this vacuum, there is long strands of hair around, and this has never gotten tangled, and I brought this to people's houses with long hair, and it's never gotten tangled. So that is a true claim. And now on to the little portable unit. It's the pet version. It's called the Pet Hair Eraser. I kind of like that name. And a really cool feature on this kind of the Bissels is it has an LED crevice tool. So it's a crevice tool with a little LED light, and then there's a button here, so like when the tube goes in, you press the button and a light turns on, and you can see everything a lot better. And this is really, really helpful for getting in between like your couches and things like that. So really like this, and this is just stored right on the back of the unit. Just stores right there. Very easy to find replacement batteries for those. The next tool on it is a really basic tool. It's a very dirty dusting brush. Geez, this is dirty. But it's just a dusting brush, and then it has little like pickers that help get stubborn dirt off. And then that also just stores right on the machine on this little clip right here. So that is that. You may be wondering, Luke, why haven't you shown a wand yet? That's because the actual thing itself is really cool. It is the wand. So basically, what it is it's a wand it's just this, and it's telescopic, so it expands out, and then you just lock it and it doesn't like move around. It does move around, but it definitely helps it from like when it's unlocked, it's just really loose. So yeah, and then there's this little arrow that says pull to remove. When you want to remove it from the hose, which is a very stretchy hose actually. I was really impressed with this hose. It's a really durable, stretchy hose. It's kind of like Dyson's hoses. It's a stretch hose. It's taller than me, fully stretched out. It's taller than me. Ow. It could be a jump rope if you want to. Ow, that clinched my back and my neck. Okay, so, and then that's just connected to the machine. So yeah, oh, okay, broke it. On this part, there's little notches right here. Those just go into the other notches. You can just kind of twist it around until you find, there we go. Then you just twist it and it's locked in. And then this connects into this part, just pushes in there, like so. And then this is all stored right here. And all the dirt does run through this, so like there's a hole right there that this piece directs to. And all the dirt goes in from there, and then the hose wraps around that, nice and secure. And then this, I'll show you the procedure on how you put it on. This is really easy to do. So you really just have to set it on. It's not hard. I got it first try. I'm just trying to get into a good angle so that way you guys can see how to put it on correctly. It's going on. Do this. Move it back. Okay, so this is really easy to attach. I'm chopped out of the frame, but that's okay for a little bit. So this part just docks on really easy. Just push it on and push it towards the machine until you hear a click and you're attached. So now we're gonna get to the demonstration of it. So this vacuum is really easy to use. It's just a very simple power button and a couple other extravaganzas. Yeah. So I'm just gonna set you guys right here. Set the vacuum there. Get this that way. That good. And to test this, what we are going to be using is we are going to be demonstrating as fine dirt. We are going to be using baking soda. For more like mud kind of dirt, we're going to be using some rice. And then just for like everyday dirt, what you would find in your carpet, we're just going to be using some sporadically laid out sunflower kernels. So, yes, I'm just going to get you guys into an angle so that way you guys can see this. Make sure you guys comment on my TikTok what vacuum you guys want me to review next, or on my Instagram. Instagram is Little Luke, and my TikTok is Luke Rocks. Rocks is spelled R-O-K-S, so it's L-U-K-E-R-O-K-S. And that's it. Little Luke on my Instagram account is LITTLELUKE, Little Luke. And make sure you comment on a video on TikTok and a post on my Instagram. So you guys are all set up for the demonstration now. So now I'm just going to place these down. Just do some sprinkle of rice. Then we're gonna do some baking soda. Baking soda. And then we're gonna do some sunflower kernels. Just put maybe add some more rice. And then we will be doing this demonstration on hard floors. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to get the vacuum plugged in and ready. This vacuum is very easy to use. There's only 2 buttons on the top, which I will show you. So the 2 buttons on the top look like this. Just look like some buttons. This button is for turning it on. This button is for the beater bar. When this light is green, that means that you are vacuuming, or that the brush bar is on. So now we're going to do the demonstration. So I'm just going to set this on the carpet. We're going to turn it on. It's not too loud. And the light will be blue. So we're going to go. Nothing under the base, and it is now all in here. So now we're going to do that same test on hardwood flooring. Move you guys over here. Move the Bissel right here. Okay, so we're just gonna put some sunflower kernels down. We're gonna put some rice down. And for this one, we are gonna use the tools. And then we're gonna put some baking soda down. Now we're just gonna move that around a little bit. Alright, so now we're gonna use the dusting brush and the LED crevice tool. Rolled over, okay. I'm going to use this, I'm going to do this with the wand detached. No, I'll do it with it attached. So that way you get the full representation. So these just easily slide on. Not hard to put on or anything. Okay, and here we go. As you can see, that picked everything up very, very well. Couple rice grains got stuck to the brush. Not very many though. So that's not a problem. And then now we're going to do the LED crevice tool. So as you can see, as soon as I put it on, the light does start. All right, so we're gonna roll. So as you can see, the LED crevice tool did very, very well. This is actually really nice to have. Okay, and then now we're going to attach to the unit. Put the hose around. We're going to turn the brush roll off. We're going to pick up the baking soda very well. Couple of things left on there. So yeah, that's that. This vacuum is very nice. It does come with a pet turbo tool, which is also tangle free. It's very easy to clean. This is for if you're in lift away mode and you're doing like some carpeted stairs or something. Very easy to clean. This whole thing just pops off by twisting this. There is an arrow on it, so it's easy guide. Then there's just a teensy tiny belt on here that makes everything spin. This is an air powered tool. So then this just twists back. And so, yeah, that's really all. I love this vacuum, and it would be a great recommendation to anyone that's asking in the price range of about $200, $300. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!